Hello and welcome to my channel. So I am going to be trying out today the iNNBEAUTY Firming Essentials Kit. This is, these products are travel size. So it's a full face firming routine in travel sizes. So the other day I was at Sephora and I walked by the skin, my eyes have been really dry, and I walked by the skincare aisle and I said, let me try out some of these eye creams just to see if I can find something good, because I get dryness under my eyes, wrinkled, my skin's a little textured under there. I'm in my 40s, you know, it's just over time, you know, smiling. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see. Creasing, look at all that I have there. Got some age spots. I got all kinds of different, you know, just part of life and aging and getting older. So I tried this eye serum out, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So first off, let me tell you guys, this product is $52 for this kit, okay? And it comes with, let's open it now. And this is a great, really great product. Like, look how beautiful it looks. Look at my hand. I mean, my hand is not a huge hand. I have a normal size hand, but look at, they're nice sizes. They're not, they're travel sizes, but you know, when you use your face creams and your serums and stuff, I think, you know, most of us don't put like, throw tons of it on, you know, so this would really last you a good amount of time. So the eye cream is what I was really impressed with, and then also this extreme cream, because these are the two that I tried at the store. After I tried this and loved it so much, I went in and tried this one, and then I've used this already. So I've used it not a lot, but I've used it like 3 or 4 times. But I saved the box because I go, I'm going to do a video on it because I want to share it with you guys. Okay, so let me give you guys the information on this product, okay? So iNNBEAUTY, $52, says it normally retails for $72, okay? You get, in this kit, you get a extreme eye cream, which is this, which is what I'm holding, the extreme eye cream. You get the extreme eye cream. You get an elastic skin. Oh, and by the way, the extreme eye cream, just in case you're wondering, it's 0.2 fluid ounces. You get an elastic skin, which is 0.33 fluid ounces. And I apologize if you guys are having a hard time seeing this. I'll try my best. Okay. This is the extreme eye cream, which looks huge. Extreme eye cream. It says it is 0.5 fluid ounces, which actually is not that much, but the bottle is just gigantic. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these products out with you. Like I said, I've already used them a few times, but I want to just show you guys because I was really impressed. So if you're interested in, you know, purchasing this or looking into iNNBEAUTY, I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts and, you know, what I thought about it. Like I said, I did pick this up from Sephora, and they do have full sizes of these products. So, but I said, you know what? I was gonna buy just the eye cream, and I said, you know what? Let me buy the whole little kit so I can try everything out and see if I like this product. If I do, I will buy it again. So let me do this again. Let's open this up. So first off, the packaging is beautiful. I love how a lot of eye serums, eye creams are using this new tool, because this is probably about my 3rd eye cream that has had this tool on it, and I really do like it. I think it depuffs my eyes, makes that whole skin area look a little smoother, refreshed. And they say that when you do massage your eye area, it gets that collagen, and the collagen stimulated the blood flowing. It just makes everything look better color-wise and as far as puffiness, so kind of even out that area. So you just squeeze this. See, there goes the eye cream. Okay, and be careful, because when I squeezed it and I didn't put my hand on it, it kind of went, squirted out. You know, it was the first time I had used it. So I just do this because I feel like I got a lot out. So I'll just kind of share it between both of my eyes. Let me zoom in. I always forget to do one eye so you guys can see the difference. Well, I haven't spread the other one out, so, okay. So I like to go in. I don't like to go this way because I feel like that's where my wrinkles go, so I try to go this way. I don't know if there's really a rhyme or reason into it, but I like to go this way when I'm rubbing the cream out into my eyes, and then just very carefully. And then I'll kind of even pat it like this, just like I said, to get that collagen stimulated, just get that blood flowing, just get that area nice and massaged so it looks better. Okay, and then if I have any left over, I'll even put it here because I noticed too I'm starting to get that line in between there. I'm at borderline of thinking about, should I get some Botox? So, sorry guys, I know I did put it on this side already, but I want to kind of show you the difference. You see, look. And you can see my line indentions there, but nice shine. And this is just with that first application. Looks more hydrated, a lot smoother. Here, I know it's hard because I already put the cream, but you can see the smile difference-wise. Look how much better. It just looks a lot drier, so it looks a lot smoother. So, as I'm spreading this out on my eye, I am going to tell you guys, give you guys the professional information about this product, not just my opinions, because I like to tell you guys the facts so you know what it promises and what it tells you it's going to do. And then, when I give my opinion, you guys will know, hey, yes, it does this or it doesn't do this, And then you can kind of just tell as well by just me applying it to my skin. So I got it up on the Sephora website. It says that it is good for anti-aging, fragrance-free, hyperallergenic, which is good. I don't know how everyone else is, but I get a lot, my eye area is very sensitive, and I feel like that is very sensitive, and I feel like I always get like dry eye, and it rubs my eyes a lot, and I feel like that contributes to the fact that I, along with aging and smile lines, I feel like that helps to contribute to the wrinkles around my eyes. So it's hydrating, of course, yes. Good for loss of firmness. Look at that. Okay. What's in the travel kit? Includes 3 skincare products, which I showed you guys. They're clinically shown to firm, to lift, and contour the look of skin while visibly reducing wrinkles and sagging. It's for these types of skin type: normal, dry, combination, oily. Pretty much every skin type. Skincare concerns, fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and loss of firmness and elasticity. Okay. How to use. An everyday firming routine formulated for AM and PM. So very important. You can use this product morning and night. Apply extreme eye cream 360 degrees around the eye area, which I think I did. I put it all around the eye area, and then, like I said, I put it in the middle. And then I noticed a little sagging on one side more than the other, so I tried to do this to kind of massage it and make my face look a little more even. Use metal cooling tip to massage in the product and help depuff. Okay, perfect. Follow with Elastin Skin, which is this product I'm going to go ahead and use now as your serum step. And then finish with the Extreme Moisturizing Cream. Extreme Cream Moisturizer. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this part. And this Elastin Skin, here, I'm sorry. Let me finish with the eye cream. The eye cream is for firming and contouring eye. It's a firming and contouring eye cream. It's got peptides, amino acids, and paracress extract. As I'm saying this, I will try to put something here so you guys can see it from their website as well, not just listening to me say it. It's most potent anti-aging eye cream that's clinically proven to help with and visibly affect. It's proven to help with visible effects of aging on the eyes, sagging skin, wrinkles, and puffiness. Okay, now going on to the Elastin Skin. Going on to the Elastin Skin product. This product says it is for firming. It's a firming and plumping serum. It's got copper, peptides, vegan growth factors, and phytomucin. Okay. Let's see if I can kind of show you guys. There you go. That is the serum. And I apologize. I can use a camera for 10, 15, 20 years and I always have difficulty. Okay, so that's it. This is the texture kind of, it's kind of like mucin. Okay, so Feels really good. Has a little scent to it. I can't pinpoint what the smell is. It's not a horrible scent. It's not like a floral or anything like that. Just a little scent to it. It could just be the products that are in it. Feels very, very good on the skin. Feels cooling, refreshing. Feels wonderful on it, the skin. So I will take my skincare products and I will go down. Sorry, I'm so close to the camera. I have, and you can see I have age spots. I'm in the sun so much with my kids. So I will take it down my neck and towards my chest just to keep everything nice and even. And you know, most of the time we want all this to match. So while I'm rubbing this out, I just want to give you guys a little bit of background on my skincare. Well, first off, I'm 48 years old. I am in the sun a lot. I probably should wear more sunscreen than I do. I try to get, I don't get Botox, but like I said, I have been thinking about it just with aging. I do get chemical peels, sorry. And I've had several in the last few months, and a hydrofacial. I've had a hydrofacial about a month and a half ago. So I try to just maintain my, just kind of let this cool off a little bit. Try to maintain my skin. I don't want to overdo it, but I want to keep, you know, to look a nice appearance. I'm never going to look 20 again. I'm never going to look 30 again. You know, I am 48 years old. You know, I'm a mom. I have 2 kids. I have sun exposure. You know what I mean? I smile. I've been through things in life. So this is my skin and this is the way it is. That I can't change, and that I don't really want to change. I just want to, like I said, kind of maintain myself and have a nice appearance when someone's talking to me in my face. Make sure my teeth look nice, my skin looks nice. Not just for the other person, but for myself. So I feel good. So let's go on to the Extreme Cream. Let's see, this is very pretty. Packaging, I feel like, is everything these days. You know, I don't mind to pay a little bit more money to have pretty packaging, especially if, and I'm not sure if I showed you guys the packaging on this one. This one's very simple, just basic. They're plastic, if you're wondering, but they have a nice look to them, which I think is important. So this is, let's see. This is okay, Extreme Cream Firming and Lifting Moisturizer with bioretinol peptides plus 3 times ceramide complex. Ceramide complex. So let me just put it on there so you guys can see. Okay, see. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it off because I need it more on my face than on my hand. I do need it on my hand too. Let me rub it. Okay. So, feels really good. I know I've said that about the serum as well, but it does. It feels good. I don't know if you guys have had this issue where like some moisturizers feel overly thick, and I don't know if it's like the chemicals in them. They just feel totally just thick and just not like they're getting into your skin, kind of just like they're just sitting on top of your skin. This product feels like it has things in it that is actually getting into your skin. And you can even, has like a scent to it. Not a scent that is bad. It's just a scent to where you can tell there's products in this that are good for you. Like it smells like kind of like natural. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. And I try to go up instead of pulling down. Someone on YouTube had told me that they left me a comment. They go, don't pull down. Don't rub your makeup down, pull up. And I'm like, yes, you're right. And they're absolutely right. Thank you for telling me that. Because it does make a difference. You know, and kind of go like this and like pretend like you just got a facelift. I don't know. I don't know if it'll help, but look, at this point, I'll try anything, you know? And then just kind of work it into my chest area. I don't like wearing tank tops. I live in Florida, it gets hot, you know, but I'm like, for this video, I think I need to so you guys can see my skin, see what I'm talking about, you know, be 100% with you. Okay, so that's it. So I got this on. God, maybe I can do like a screenshot of a before and after picture. I don't know. Yes, I will do it. I'll do a screenshot and I'll do a before and after picture. But This is with the products on my skin. Let me smile. I feel like it's already, and I say this in so many videos, and if you don't watch a lot of videos of mine, you wouldn't know, but if you do, you're probably tired of me hearing this. My lips, I use a micro needling roller, do this, because as you age too, your lips get very dry. I feel like they deflate. They get lines on them. So I'll do this for a couple minutes, get, you know, the collagen and the blood flowing, and then just put a little bit of Vaseline on them. Just regular old little $1.50 Vaseline, just to make them look fresh. So that's what's on my lips. No other products, just the Vaseline using that derma roller. But look at that, look how good that looks. Looks nice and shiny, refreshed, hydrated. My eye area looks a lot better. It looks the skin, like I'm smiling a lot, you know? And it's a lot tighter, of course, because it's hydrated. But I think there is something to this product. But like I said, I've only used it 3 or 4 times, so I can't tell you guys for sure. But I was very impressed with it when I tried it at Sephora, and I liked it a lot. So I mean, this pretty much wraps it up. This iNNBEAUTY, they sell at Sephora. It's called iNNBEAUTY Project, okay? iNNBEAUTY Project. I want to check out their website. Not to make this video too long, guys, but women, everyone, whoever's watching. Free standard shipping. Free, okay. I just want to see if they sell other products or if it's just mostly skincare. It looks like it's just mostly skincare. They have SPF. They have these creams, serums, Pro C serum, Mineral Sun Glow SPF. This is their site. I know you probably can't see it, but I'll kind of explain to you what some of these things are. These must be developers of the beauty company. Okay. We built iNNBEAUTY on a different model, investing in high efficiency ingredients, advanced formulations, and rigorous clinical testing while eliminating middlemen so we can charge less. I like it. I mean, like I said, I was very impressed by it. They have vitamin C, moisturizer, hydrating gel cleanser, bright and tight eye cream, recharge gel cream, elastin skin refill set, extreme eye refill set. Okay, they do refills. Okay, so yeah, so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Leave me any thoughts, comments below, what you think about it. Maybe some products that you guys use that you really like that you could recommend for me. Like for eyes, face, anything, I would appreciate it. It'd be awesome. I love trying out new products. So definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for taking the time, stopping by and watching this video. And I will see everyone very soon in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.